Just got bored with my avatar. So this is probably going to be my new avatar, and it's going to stay like this. But when it hits March 18th, I'm changing out of this. And well, yeah, we're just going to see if we can win twice. Well, not twice, but we're just going to play a lot. If you know what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to push this ball into the water because if you know, people are not allowed to go in the water, only balls can. No, get in there. There we go. Now, I was playing in another server before, and it had a green ball, but it was actually out, but then in other servers that I played, the green ball was like stuck over there, and then all the other balls were stuck. Yes, here, look right here, there's the green ball stuck, because someone did that. I'm gonna try and push the blue one in there, if I can. This can take... I've been quiet for so long. Ugh. Oh, it's too hard. Ugh. 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 Squish. You know what, I'll just put it in the water. I'm surprised I haven't had a turn yet, because usually I would have my turn always. Oh yeah, and if you guys have played this and you know the impossible banana one, don't use any of like the dive, sit, or like anything emotes. Just time it right and then jump through, because that's what I do, and it always works. Oh, it's my turn. Oh, speaking pancakes, this is easy. What? What? There we go. Clear. Dive! Oh. Yeah, so don't use down the banana, swinging impossible one, because that's what's making you mess up. Just time it right and then jump through. Like, don't use the emotes. Because I do that all the time. It's easy. No, 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 come back, come back! Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back! I was playing with my friend before, but they had to go. Come on, you stupid ball. Come on! Come on! This is so frustrating! No other ball. Push! Did he get in? Yes, he got in. All three of them. Oh, this is easy. Why do we always get easy ones? Boink. Clear. Dive! Boing. Boing, boing, boing. Good job. Come on. No, 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 no. Wait! Wait! No, wait! Wait! Ball! Nope, nope, nope. Get back in there. The wall pushed you out, and I don't care that it did. Did you get in? Finally got in. If you guys want to know how to get through, like these ones, like the minions one and the Slenderman one and the bacon pancakes, just turn sideways, because it's easier if you just do that rather than boing. Oh, get in. Rather than wait, I forgot how I was saying. Man. Oh man, I've got a headache. Hey! Bacon salami boy. Salami boy. I know the bacon here is actually called pal hair. And the bacon girl hair is called ginger hair. Sorry if you hear another voice, it's just my mom on phone here. our TV broke and now we're not getting a new fetch box from the Dodo company. So yeah, we just need to. Hey, hey, get in there. Oh, that's easy. All these can't. I'm just say can't spell. The spinner one that its difficulty is impossible. That is actually impossible. I've tried it twice and it doesn't work. I hate how there's no practice anymore. Cause over there, where in the middle of those two things, right in the middle of these two poles right there, there used to be a little circle that looked like a portal, and then it would teleport you into the practice one where it was just multiple walls and it was just you. It wasn't anyone else. Oh, team rounds. We were playing solo the whole time? Didn't even realize. Just kidding. My name is BB and I love to sing. My name is BB and I love to sing. They're gonna say one on my team. Bacon boy. Bacon boy. Oh yeah, let me just show you something. Oh, I didn't get to do it. I'll show you after. Luckily, there's only 3 people because one time I had 4 people and I couldn't do this one. Boink. Dive! Dive! Oh yeah, so you see how I have this little binary code here? So look at like the bottom of like the little fist, like down right here, and then watch what happens. You see, look, it disappears. The binary code disappears. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, again, you may have heard this in my other videos. I like to do this before the video ends because I never get enough time. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification videos. Are you serious? You know what, I'm not even gonna bother anymore. I just want these balls to get out of the area. Oh, it's my turn. Oh, yes, look, this is another one where you just have to turn sideways. Yeah, you just have to turn sideways. See? It's easy. I was gonna show you that the ball is back there again. This bacon boy is trying to get it out. Just so you know, I will be making videos like in real life, not just gaming videos. I just don't have enough time in the day because I'm filming videos and I need to get as many out because I want my free time because it's the school holidays. And boink! Are you serious? I've got a massive headache. 1 like equals 1 medicine drop for me. 1 like equals 1 medicine drop for me. For my headache. Sorry, 1 like equals 1 ice pack for my head. So I'm on the blue team and we are winning. I thought I was on the red team. So the blue team has got a score of 20, but then it says on the server list 1,600. I'm not sure what it means. Wait, guys, if you're wondering how to get these boombox backpacks and these balloons right here, they are off sale because there was an event called Pizza Party. Yeah, there was an event called Pizza Party, and the event, and you could get like all types of things, but oh, the blue team won, yay! So yeah, there was like a bunch of things you could get for your avatar, including those things. But the event ended. I'm very sorry. I'm very, very, very sorry. Okay, new round. Baking pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Baking pancakes, making bacon pancakes. I don't understand, but like the corners, the lines like of my arms and stuff, they have like grey lines on them. I don't understand. Boing, suicide! Suicide! Dun, dun, dun. That was the most dumbest idea ever. Who puts a ball on the play area? Someone just said, really the ball? Really the ball? Wait, what's the goodness I'm on the red team? And climb John Doe, climb Green Lantern. Boing. Oh, whenever like someone's like standing like around here, I always like to go up there and then see if I can land. But I've never actually done it before. I've never actually landed. Oh, I bet that's the Cookie Monster. I mean, Green Lantern. I thought it was the Cookie Monster. Oh yeah. I've only got 14 minutes. I mean, 4 minutes left before my recording stops. So yeah. Usually that way you didn't have to go through the math, you had to just like lie down and it was just one whole wall. And then I saw a bunch of other YouTubers raging like, that's not a hole in the wall! That's just a wall! So it was really annoying. I do check my timer every once in a while to see how many minutes I've got until my recording stops. Right now it's been 12 minutes and 23 seconds. I don't really know what else to do because I'm not really going up that much. See, this is why I like to play other games where it's just... I have made a one game in Roblox, but it's like, it just sucks because I suck at making games of Roblox Studio. It's called, if you go to my profile, Roblox Eki1, make sure you add me as a friend and follow me. Yeah, if you go to my profile, you look at creations, and then I'll have this one place called Roblox Eki One's place, and then I'll have one that's called Can You Find the Marshmallow Head? And in the description it says all you need to do is find the marshmallow head. The marshmallow head is actually really easy to find because I forgot to put it like out in the desert because it's in the Wild West. Yeah, I'm just giving you, it's somewhere where you spawn. Not clear. Blue team's winning just by 1 point. Or 10 points, actually. Oh, get over here. Oh no, she's okay. No, 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 no! 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 Oh my god. I don't understand how people do that because, oh, blue team won, yay. I don't understand how people go through walls without like actually getting through the little circle because, getting through the actual wall because there's no power-ups. It used to be like you could purchase power-ups right here, but you can't anymore. Well, it's been 14 minutes and 29 seconds. So yeah, again, you guys might have forgot or not, but so I just want to say this just so I don't forget. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for daily videos. So yeah, peace. So yeah, guys, peace out. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for daily videos.